I work on AI research and development for my company, and I think it's a pretty huge bubble. But if I'm wrong, this is probably what's going to happen. I don't think AGI is realistic, but you could have something that approximates it through a bunch of weird systems. So, you're not going to have like ChatGPT become sentient, but you're going to have like ChatGPT plus a bunch of other weird systems that do automation really, really, really well. So what will this lead to? This will probably lead to a lot of current jobs becoming like obsolete. And in the long term, things are probably going to be fine. Economics basically is the science of how do you deal with finite resources but infinite demands. And the universe has finite resources. So no matter how much abundance we get, no matter how good we get at computers and automating stuff and whatever, there's always going to be some resource that's finite. And at the end of the day, what's the most finite thing in the universe? Life, wood, human brains, whatever. So there's always going to be a place for humanity, even if you have AGI. There's always going to be something human beings can do, even if it's as simple as like generating data. The more realistic thing, if this AI stuff gets really, really good, is in the short term, a lot of people are probably going to start losing their jobs. And what we've seen from the current economy is, I guess the current oligarchs don't really care. They are okay if people can't buy houses and whatnot. So what's probably going to happen is a lot of people are going to lose their jobs, and I guess companies aren't going to care because they're saving money. Like, just look at the H-1B thing. Companies do not care about people. All they care about is like minimizing the cost of labor. Over the course of 5, 10 plus years, you're going to have a really weird new economy develop. What people are going to be used for is going to be way different and way weirder than what it is now. Your taste, your viewpoint, your perspective is going to matter a lot more. And you're probably going to be hired to, do things for other people rather than doing basically like button pushing jobs. White collar is going to go first, and then blue collar is going to slowly get replaced. And then we're going to have a weird gig economy or something like that. But that's if AI isn't a really big bubble.